Problem 6. They want us to write an equation of the sine function that has an amplitude of 2/5, a period of 720, and a phase shift of -40. So the period is 720, so it's stretched out. Got elongated. That accordion sort of went wide. Okay, no problem. The equation is y equals, always the amplitude comes first, 2/5. It says do it of a sine function, so it's sine. Now we have to find what number goes in front of theta, and then that c value right there. So we want to find this b value and c value. The b value, well, the period, remember, the period is always 360 divided by your b value, which is what you're trying to find this time. It says the period is 720. So 720 is 360 divided by b. I just put this over 1. I can get 720b equals 360 times 1 is 360. Divide by 720, you're going to get b as a half. So we have b is a half. So we know it's going to be the sine of a half theta. Now we need the c. We can't get the c without first figuring out this b value. Why? Because remember, the phase shift is the opposite of c divided by b. Well, we need that b value. We just found it to be a half. The phase shift, it said, is -40. So we have -40 equals the opposite of c, which is what we want, divided by b, which we just found to be 1/2. Put this over 1. Negative c times 1 is the opposite of c. A half times -40 is -20. If the opposite of c is -20, that means c is a positive 20. We could just divide by -1 or multiply both sides by -1 to get that. So we know this is a plus 20 degrees here. That's what we put in the problem. So there is our equation. All we do every single time is write out period equals 360 divided by b, plug in our numbers, write out phase shift is -c divided by b, the opposite of c divided by b, plug in your numbers, and you can easily get it every single time.